Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Markets Update. We're having a very green week in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is rallying, pumping really hard. Bitcoin is trading above $28,000. It looks as if Bitcoin is restarting the bear market rally. Will Bitcoin be able to get to that $4,000 before the end of the rally? We're also going to be looking at news stories happening in the crypto world. There's a lot of uncertainty going around in the world. Bitcoin is pumping because of that uncertainty. Greed has returned to the cryptocurrency market. Where are we heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? A lot of traders are getting liquidated. More than $178 million have been liquidated from traders in the last 24 hours. Will all coins join Bitcoin pumping to higher prices? Or will Bitcoin take all coins down to goblin town when this rally is over? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The altcoin market is seeing another pump to the upside as Bitcoin is rallying to higher prices. Bitcoin has been giving us a pump of a lifetime. In the last 7 days, Bitcoin is up more than 26%. That's good to see, but we're still deep in the crypto bear market. Guys, where is Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? We thought Bitcoin will not be able to pass $25,000, but here we are. Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices. Bitcoin has rallied from as low as $19,600. That was on the 10th of March. Bitcoin is currently trading above $28,000, and this is just the 20th of March. If Bitcoin can rally towards its 100-week moving average, which currently sits around $33,000, that might just mean we might see all coins have one final pump to the upside. But right now, only Bitcoin is rallying to the high side. Bitcoin market caps grows by 60% in 2023 as top Wall Street banks loses $100 billion. Bitcoin has decoupled from stocks and continued to rise 10 years after the Cyprus banking crisis coincided with a Bitcoin price boom. Interesting to see, Bitcoin market capitalization has added $194 billion in 2023. That's a 66% year-on-year growth, vastly outperforming top Wall Street bank stocks, and particularly as fear of a global banking crisis are rising. Bitcoin hits $28,000 as uncertainty surrounds bank. Bitcoin price has surged up above $28,000 zone, marking a 16% boost in value in the last 7 days. Ethereum, the king of all coins, has not been pumping as aggressive as Bitcoin in the last 7 days. Even though we've seen Ethereum rallying to as high as $1,800, that's still shy of the $2,000 mark where we saw Ethereum get to in August of 2022. Right now, Ethereum still risks for the downside. If we see Bitcoin dumping to goblin now, that might take the rest of the altcoin market with Bitcoin. And from where Ethereum is currently trading right now, a 51% decline will take Ethereum down to the 871% price. And a 51% decline in Bitcoin will not take Bitcoin down. A 51% decline in Bitcoin will take Bitcoin down to as low as $13,800. Why I don't think that will happen anytime soon, guys? If Ethereum don't continue pumping as hard as Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks, and we see Bitcoin dumping to goblin town, that might affect the price of it. We might see it heading back to the $1,000 region in no time. But that $2,000 region is still the line in the sand for Ethereum. We'll be watching to see whether Ethereum can blast above the $2,000 level in the coming days and in the coming months. Other news stories happening in the crypto world. Yulo Finance hacker sent 100 ETH to red flag North Korean address. While Chainlist suspected involvement of North Korea in the Yulo Finance hack, it highlighted the possibility of misdirection by other hackers. Australian Banking Association cost of living inquiry reveals bank pressure. The analysis of the rising inflation and concurrent collapse of Silicon Valley Bank proves that more than 186 banks in the US are at risk of similar shutdown if depositors decide to withdraw all their funds. And FDIC sells Signature Bank deposits to Flagstar, crypto not included. The 40 branches of Signature Bank will officially reopen and operate as Flagstar Bank on March the 20th. 1 week after its collapse, Signature Bank deposits and loans are sold to be are said to be sold to the flagship bank, a subsidiary of New York Community Bank Corp, but crypto-related deposits will not be part of the deal. This looks as a coordinated attempt on cryptocurrencies. Crypto prices have been answering as we see Bitcoin rallying to higher prices. Crypto Fear and Greed Index is telling us that greed has returned to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index is showing us a value of 66. Yesterday, there was greed in the market, but we saw a value of 63. And guys, just some few months ago, we saw extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, we are seeing greed. Hopefully, as Bitcoin continues pumping in the coming days, we might see extreme greed return to the cryptocurrency market for the first time since the end of the previous bull market. Liquidations are rising. In the last 24 hours, more than 57,000 traders have been liquidated and more than $178 million have been liquidated from those traders. The highest liquidation came in on Wobi. One trader was liquidated for $1.63 million while trying to trade Ethereum. Bitcoin accounted for $75 million worth of liquidations. Ethereum accounted for $42 million, and the rest of the liquidations came in from other altcoins. Bitcoin ATM maker short cloud service after users' hot wallet compromise. Bitcoin ATM manufacturer General Bytes says a hacker was able to install and run a small Java application in his terminal that could access user information and send funds from hot wallets. Fed Central Bank enhanced swap lines to combat banking crisis. Currency swap lines have been used during times of crisis in the past, such as the 2008 global financial crisis and the 2020 corona pandemic. And right now, we are seeing that the Fed and central banks are enhancing those swap lines. So would that mean Bitcoin pumping aggressively to the upside in the next few months? Venezuela overhauls National Crypto Department. A new board headed by Annabel Fernandez will lead the organization. A new board headed by Annabel Fernandez will lead the reorganization. The new team excludes Jose Ramirez, who led the department since inception in 2018, but was reportedly arrested on March 17th on corruption charges. If you take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, in the last 7 days, Bitcoin is up 28%. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, is up 13%. BNB is up 13%. XRP, Cardano, and Polygon Matic have not seen huge gains. They are up less than 10% in the last 7 days. Dogecoin and Solana has pumped up in the last 7 days. Dogecoin by 7%, Solana by 21% in the last 7 days. BUSD is finally out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization with a market cap of $8.2 billion. BUSD is currently sitting at number 11. Solana has retaken the top 10 spots. If you take a look at other news happening in the cryptocurrency world, Credit Suisse rescue plan may include rationalization, bondholders' losses. A bank rescue plan for Credit Suisse may impose losses on its bondholders and even result in a full or partial nationalization of Credit Suisse Group AG. And UBS Group agrees to a $3.25 billion emergency rescue of Credit Suisse. Swiss authorities agreed to change the country's regulation to bypass the shareholder vote and announce the deal over the weekend. The top gainers and the top losers in today's market, top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. In the gainer section, we have Conflux, Stax, NEO, EOS, and Solana. In the loser section, we have SSV Network, The Graph, Terra Classic, One Inch Network, and ApeCoin. SBF Shield FTX risk model to FDIC chairman period to collapse. The invitation was mediated by former CFTC Commissioner Mark Wengen, who joined FTX US as head of policy and regulatory strategy in November of 2021. Interesting. Peter Schiff blames too much government regulation for worsening financial crisis. Finding the right balance between regulation and banking institutions is important for Smith, considering the Puerto Rico regulators closed down Smith Bank due to non-compliance. He has been complaining about that on Twitter ever since, and we have seen the crypto unicorn index rise dramatically in the last few days. Now we have over 53 projects with a market cap of over $1 billion. Is that the end of the bear market? Are we all ready to continue pumping to higher prices? SVB UK Arms issues £15 million bond in bonuses after shambolic bailout. Insider sources reportedly described the bonus pool as modest, adding that the stock held by senior executive has been rendered worthless following Silicon Valley Bank UK Arms near collapse. And Swiss preparing emergency measures for UBS takeover of Credit Suisse. Total crypto market cap is currently above $1.148 trillion. That's the highest we have seen the total crypto market cap go since August of 2022. There's real possibilities we might see the total crypto market cap rally towards the $1.3 trillion region. But guys, right now we're in danger zone. Greed has returned to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin's above $28,000 and altcoins are not pumping as hard as Bitcoin. That might signal the end of this bear market rally. Bitcoin has come to touch its previous all-time high. Same with the total crypto market cap. Are we going to start pumping to higher prices? Maybe, just maybe, the bear market is over and right now we've started a new bull run. But we'll be monitoring what will happen in the altcoin market in the coming days and in the coming weeks, as we have seen the altcoin market having difficulties pumping above $400 billion. We saw the altcoin market get to as high as $700 billion in August of 2022. Bitcoin dominance is steadily increasing in the market, which might signal short-term pain for altcoin holders. Anytime we see Bitcoin dominance increasing aggressively in the market, it means Bitcoin is outperforming the rest of the market. Altcoins are not pumping as hard as Bitcoin, or the market is dumping and Bitcoin is not dumping as hard as the market. So if we see Bitcoin dumping anytime soon and the Bitcoin dominance in the market continues increasing, altcoins might easily be dumping to gobbling town and Bitcoin dominance might quickly head towards 53%. Worst case scenario, Bitcoin dominance might even pump to as high as 59% of the total crypto market. The altcoin season index is showing us right now is Bitcoin's month. Bitcoin is the king of the market and Bitcoin is sucking all the liquidity from the market. If you want to be loading up on altcoins, now will be a right time according to the altcoin season index. All the other times in the past where the altcoin season index has told us to buy altcoins, it has proven to be a master stroke if you had followed the altcoin season index. So will this time be different? Or will this time be the same and will altcoins outperform Bitcoin in the coming days and in the coming months? US mid-sized bank seeks FDIC insurance on all deposits for 2 years. The banking coalition reportedly argued in a letter to the federal regulators that it will bring stability to the banking industry and reduce the chances of more banks' failure. And former Coinbase CEO makes $2 billion bet on Bitcoin performance. Berger Sutherland has predicted that Bitcoin will reach $1 million within 90 days due to hyperinflation in the US. Will that happen or will that just be a pipe dream? Bitcoin is still trading above $28,000. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see the altcoin market heading after Bitcoin has rallied this hard? Do you think altcoins are going to catch up with Bitcoin? Or if Bitcoin rally comes to an end and we start dumping the altcoin market, we go with Bitcoin? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too scared. See you guys in my next video.